Well, for patients it means a lot because nowadays HTA takes the patients at the center of most of the decisions. For example, in my case, at NICE, patients are invited to share their experience. They are at the table together with the committee and they share their experience. They tell us what it means to have a particular condition, what it means to receive that particular treatment, whether that treatment they are on has worked for them, why, and so on. And that information is then captured in the decision-making process. So having a decision-making process that is based on big data, like in Harmony, information that can then be used to make more targeted decisions for the right patients will definitely benefit those patients because we'll have more certainty, potentially, as to what can work for someone.